Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll explore one of the most fundamental processes of life itself: DNA replication, repair, and mutations. If you'd like to see the full journey of this subject, the entire playlist is linked right below in the description. This is part of the 9th subject we're covering with whiteboard animations, and many more subjects are on the way. Imagine a book that has to be copied billions of times, word for word, without mistakes. That's what your cells do with DNA. Every time a cell divides, it must duplicate its entire genetic library, over 3 billion letters in humans, with astonishing accuracy. But here's the twist. Mistakes do happen. Sometimes they're repaired, sometimes they're ignored, and sometimes they change the course of evolution or cause devastating diseases. DNA replication, the copying machine of life. DNA replication is a semi-conservative process, meaning each new DNA molecule has one old strand and one newly synthesized strand. Key players include helicase, the unzipping enzyme that unwinds the double helix; DNA polymerase, the main enzyme that adds new nucleotides, always in the 5-3 direction. Primase creates RNA primers to get replication started. Ligase seals the gaps between fragments on the lagging strand. Replication isn't just efficient, it's mind-blowingly accurate, with error rates as low as 1 in a billion nucleotides. DNA repair, the cell's proofreading system. Despite this accuracy, mistakes can occur. Luckily, cells have multiple repair systems. Mismatch repair fixes errors that escape proofreading. Excision repair removes damaged bases caused by UV light or chemicals. Double-strand break repair joins broken DNA ends, often through homologous recombination. Without these repair systems, life would not survive. Mutations, the double-edged sword. When repair fails, mutations occur, permanent changes in the DNA sequence. Some mutations are harmless, like silent changes in non-coding DNA. Others can be harmful, causing diseases like sickle cell anemia or cancer. But some are beneficial, providing the raw material for evolution and adaptation. Case Study 1. Sickle cell mutation. Harmful in most cases, but protective against malaria. Case Study 2, UV light and skin cancer. When repair mechanisms fail, UV-induced mutations can cause uncontrolled cell growth. Case Study 3, bacterial resistance. Mutations in bacterial DNA allow survival against antibiotics, posing a global health challenge. Why it matters in molecular and cellular biology. DNA replication, repair, and mutation are the engine of heredity. Without them, cells cannot divide, organisms cannot develop, and species cannot evolve. This topic connects directly to medicine, genetics, biotechnology, and even forensic science, past, present, and future relevance. In the past, the discovery of DNA's structure by Watson and Crick opened the door to molecular biology. In the present, studying mutations helps us fight cancer, design personalized medicine, and trace evolutionary history. In the future, CRISPR and gene editing may allow us to correct mutations before they cause disease, redefining the possibilities of medicine. Why watch this playlist? In this playlist, you'll explore how biology connects across scales, from molecules like DNA and enzymes to systems like the nervous or immune system. Each episode builds on the last, giving you a full picture of the science of life. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a teacher seeking teaching tools, or simply a curious learner, this series is designed for you. So that's our dive into DNA replication, repair, and mutations, the process that keeps life going, protects it from damage, and sometimes drives change. In our next lecture, we'll move into the exciting world of gene expression and regulation. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in the Biological Sciences series. Because when you understand DNA, you understand the language of life.